Hello everyone! This video is about selecting the size of your home energy storage battery. I've been researching home energy solutions for the past 3 years and I have owned a battery for just over a year. First, let's talk about understanding your energy consumption. Start by analyzing your home energy usage. Many utility companies offer stats on your consumption via their online platforms or mobile apps. Alternatively, you can check your electricity bills for the past year to find your average daily consumption. Look for the units of energy usage instead of monetary value. You're looking for kilowatt hours, typically abbreviated as kWh. For example, if your annual usage is 4000 kilowatt hours, your daily usage is about 11 kilowatt hours. Next, consider your goals. Do you want to cover your entire daily usage? Or perhaps you have a flexible tariff and you want to reduce the peak demand. You will need a battery capacity close to your daily usage for full coverage. For peak shaving, a smaller battery might suffice. Now, let's size your battery. Your battery capacity should be 1.5 to 2 times your daily usage for optimal performance and longevity. So, if you use 11 kilowatt hours a day, aim for around 15 or 20 kilowatt hour battery system. These are not exact numbers. I'm using those as most home batteries come in multiples of 5 kilowatt hours. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Remember, you don't always need to cover 100% of your usage. Even a smaller battery can significantly reduce your grid reliance and energy costs. Bear in mind, however, that for optimal battery longevity, it's best to always keep at least 20% in it. As a general guideline, opt for a larger size if your budget allows. Let's talk about battery types. Lithium iron phosphate batteries are becoming popular for home use. They are known for their safety features and longevity. These batteries are resistant to overheating and can handle thousands of charge cycles. They are worth considering, especially if safety is your top priority. I hope this information helps you in your energy storage journey. Remember, the right choice depends on your specific needs and situation. Happy researching!